You might have 4 AI apps on your phone right now, and you still don't know which one to use. That's not your fault. Every single one of them says, I do everything. They're lying. Kinda. Here's the thing. These tools aren't competing to be the best AI. Each one of them is really good at a completely different job. Once you know which one to use, you stop guessing and wasting 5 minutes of your time trying different AI to see which one feels right. So let's fix that right now. Yeah, right now. Picture 4 everyday moments. For each one, guess your tool before I tell you. Moment 1. You need to write a quick email, something casual, a follow-up, a reply, nothing fancy. Reach for ChatGPT. It's fast, it's flexible, and it's the one built for get this done right now. Moment 2. You have 40-page contract or a research paper or a messy set of notes you need to turn into actual work. This is where most people get it wrong. They paste it on ChatGPT and expect magic to happen. But watch what happens if Claude does documents whole, consistent every page. Somehow, it feels like magic. That's what Claude do best. If the quality of the writing matters, Claude is your tool. Moment 3. You live inside Gmail, Docs, and Excel. Maybe you have a 2-hour meeting recording you need turned into notes, or a video you want to actually watch and understand. Google Gemini has these tools built already. It can process enormous information at once. Whole books, whole meetings. It's the one tool of the 3 that can understand images, audio, and video, not just text. Moment 4. You want AI to generate you a picture, a thumbnail, a mock-up, or even a birthday card. You might be thinking Claude, but Claude can't do this. No image generation, period. So if you've been wondering why Claude can generate an image, that's not a bug, that's boundary. Hop to ChatGPT Image or Gemini Nano Banana Pro for anything visual. So here's the reframe. Stop asking which AI is the best. Start asking, what am I actually doing right now? Quick and casual? ChatGPT. Long and need to be read well? Claude. Already living in Google? Gemini. Need an image? ChatGPT or Gemini. Never Claude. These are surface level knowledge. 20% of your effort is 80% of results. So unlock that remaining 20% deep knowledge. You don't need to master 4 apps. You just need to remember the 4 moments. Match the task to the tool, and every single which AI should I use will disappear for good. That's 80-20. Go put it into use.